What's up guys, Aussie HPP Racing. I got a badass ride here guys. I'm not gonna say I'm the old car specialist, tell you, oh this is a 64, 65, 67 Nova. I'm not quite sure, but I do know it's a Nova, I know it's twin turbo, and I know Mickey Chassis Works knocked this out of the park. He did a fantastic job guys. This car looks amazing. I love the car. It's all carbon fiber. From the bottom even of the car. When I do this, you're gonna see me and Brandon are going through the whole video. You're gonna see all the stuff we're looking at this car that has left us in awe, because it's almost like a car that belongs in Cars and Coffee, not a racetrack. But this car is really at heart, it has a Steve Morris racing engine, so it is a race car. Steve Morris has been known. He's probably the best engine builder in the country. He's got our Street Outlaw cars, we use them. We got guys all over the country that are using them. I don't know if they mention names or not, but you got the record breaker holders at Drag Week. They use Steve Morris racing engines. So that's when you know this car is not just a show car, this is truly a race car. And then you come with twin turbos from Precision, you know this bad boy is gonna run. So on this video, you're gonna get to see the car. I figured a lot of you wanna see something like this. Not everybody gets to see it in person, plus you'll be the first ones to see it. Because as soon as we're done wiring it, we're gonna put it on a dyno, let Manny do his magic, get that car ready. We'll put the dyno pulls up there for you, we'll get you the car running, and you'll see part 2 at that time. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Guys, don't be a hater. If you like the video, subscribe, give us a like. Whatever you don't like, leave on the comments you don't like it. I'll try to fix it so I make the channel better, make it grow faster. Thanks guys for all the support. I hope you enjoy the video. Till next time, see you later. Bro, this car is stupid sick. Have you seen? Let's just go through it real quick before we put on the dyno and go to the track. This isn't even a middle bumper, it's carbon fiber too, right?
Yeah.
They just painted it to make it look like it?
Yeah. Probably one of the nicest race cars I've ever seen.
I think it's one of the ones.
It's like a brand new car coming out of the showroom, but a race car, you know?
Never been to the track. Well, it's all carbon fiber, all the way through to the bottom. All the panels, carbon fiber.
Look at all the weight, the extra weight they put in there.
So this is a fancy way of putting weight on the car.
Charge your battery right there.
Without having to take all the, you know, the gym weights you throw on it. This is a fancy way of actually doing it. The whole bottom is done. We're fixing to build the belly pan on it.
All carbon fiber, nothing but the bed.
You said these are stainless billy collectors?
Yeah.
Man, is that what this is? Just to make sure.
Is that polished stainless?
It is. So you got polished stainless steel collector, all into a turbo kit.
Twin.
We'll bring it down so you can see everything else, but Dustin, you could get here. It is a twin, what are they, twin what?
88?
98. Twin 98s. This is pretty pimp how they did here, the weights, you saw them?
Nose weight area.
Is he a grudge racer? Or?
Let it down so
No, he's gonna be racing, probably no prep and stuff like that. And drug rate, probably no prep.
Right now, it's right now set up for radio versus the world.
Right now, Manny says it's set up radio versus the world. That's what it's set up for. So Manny's gonna put a tune in it now. We'll get it started and see how it does. So as you can see, this is still all carbon fiber. It's all painted so it still looks stock. On the hood here, it's been made obviously like the holes are similar to Monza's. When we did his hood, it's real similar to it. The turbos will go here, then you build the tunnel here, so the air just comes right in. The turbos are breathing fresh air all the time. You can see it, look at the fins in here. You see the turbos right here, and spinning. You can see how nice everything was riveted in, smooth as can be, so it goes right in the little transition as it's going down the track. This car is incredible. Once we get it outside, I'll get the whole view of it so you guys can see the inside, the outside, everything about it. We'll get it on the dyno and then we're taking it to the track. We'll get the complete video for you. This is the nicest race car I've ever seen. See y'all later.